birdsong in the morning light, soft wind through the apple trees. You and I, no city noise, just the earth, the sky, and peace. Barefoot on the wooden floor, sunlight slipping through the lace. You were standing by the window, morning resting on your face. Your dress moved with the summer breeze, wildflowers in your hair. And the way you looked at me made the whole world disappear. Outside, the garden woke up slow. The grass was wet and sweet, and somewhere near the cherry trees, a nightingale began to sing. No neon lights, no crowded streets, no noise, no need to run, just your hand inside of mine, and the rising of the sun. Where the nightingale sings, I fall in love again. In your soft brown eyes, in the warmth of your skin. Two girls in the countryside, no fear, no need to hide. Just the morning, just the breeze, and your heart next to me. You laughed and called me to the yard, with berries in your hand, a little red stain on your lips, like summer made a plan. We sat beneath the apricot tree, your shoulder touching mine, and all the